Hi, I'm Tom, and in this quick tip for FreeCAD, I will show you how to fix when you have got MKS, the meters unit system set up, but your dimensions, and it doesn't matter whether it's the draft dimensions like you can see here, or it could be also the TechDraw dimensions, are showing up in millimeters, not in meters, which is quite confusing because you can see that my main unit is meters, and also if I work in large numbers, you can see that I'm working in meters. So how to fix this and why it's happening, why it's showing in millimeters? This is because the MKS unit system, when the length is smaller than 10 meters, which is smaller than 10,000 millimeter, switches from showing the unit in meters to showing it in millimeters. And this also counts for dimensions. So if your dimensions is smaller than 10 meters, it shows in millimeters. If I would create a dimension which would be over 10 meters, you could see that it would show in meters, which is what I want with all of my dimensions. So how do I fix this up? You have to have FreeCAD version 1.0 or higher, and with version 1.0 a new unit system was introduced, and that's meter decimal, and this one always defaults to meters. So now if I can leave this on, but I will create a new one, new dimension, and this one will show up meters. And this also works with TechDraw dimensions. If I create a TechDraw dimension here on the other side now, you can see that it's measuring meters. I hope this was useful, and I will see you in the next one.